This whole 5 chapters is for people who have zero financial background. So today I'm going to talk about 3 financial books and 3 business books for you to find out. And I'm going to reveal the last financial book, which is amazing in the end, that I'm currently reading right now. The first book is called Financial Affairs of the Common Man by Anil Lamba. The reason why I like people to start off with this book is because Anil Lamba's main priority is to break down finance in the most simplistic way possible. This book is good for beginners. The reason being, they have topics like the power of compounding, why is insurance important, how to understand basic financial statements, what is stock market investing, and how to invest in real estate. There's even a section on cryptocurrencies as well, whether you need to invest or not. Once you have understood the basics, Anil Lamba had another book which I think came out before this book, which is a massive book. And this book is called Romancing the Balance Sheet. This basically tells you how to understand financial statements in a very simple way. And he gives you such basic examples of how you can understand what a profit and loss account is or what a balance sheet is. So his first thing is getting your basics right. And he says this whole 5 chapters is for people who have zero financial background. Now, a lot of people also ask me that tell me some management books or tell me some books that are different for me to grow my business as well. One of the financial books that I liked to start off with is something called The 2-Minute Revolution, right? The 2-Minute Revolution. Now, this is very good for anyone who has a B2C company. This book talks about all the things, all the brands that have made it big in the market. Now, this book it's called Lean Analytics, right? It's written by Alistair, Croll and Benjamin Yoskovitz, but it basically says how to use data to build a better startup faster. The reason why I like this book is it only talks about how data is super important, right? And how to not fool yourself when you read data. Now, this is a slightly older book that I had got. Again, slightly B2C focused, and this is called Traction. Okay, this book is called Traction. Traction means if I have a company and it's a B2C company, traction means pulling as many audience as possible to that company. This book basically talks about all the different channels you can use for traction. This is a good basic book for all the guys who want to learn about marketing. This is super important. Now, coming to the last book which I'm reading right now, which I'm in love with actually. It's called How to Make Money in Stocks. Okay, updated 4th edition. By William O'Neill. It talks about a study that was done from 1880s to 2009. It talks more about technical analysis in the first few chapters and then moves on to the normal stuff about stock picking secrets. If you use this, he talks about the charting mechanisms. He talks about the CAN-SLIM model that he has created, which is beautiful. After the CAN-SLIM model, he starts talking about how to be smart when you're investing, not just put money like an idiot. How to be smart with money management, diversifying, how to take out your profits when you're going up, how to identify when the stock market is going up. And in the end, he gives you massive different business models and different investing models for you to invest. Basically, it takes you from becoming a new investor. He teaches you in the last 5 chapters how to invest like a professional. How do these professional guys invest? So these are some of the books that I like, but I want you guys to also comment below and tell one book that you guys feel is good. It can be a business book or finance book. Don't give me some 50 Shades of Grey and all that. I don't want all that. But I want one good business book and one good finance book that you guys feel is good, because a lot of people who watch this video would want recommendations on more books. So the community helps the community out.